Okay, good morning children. Today we are going to study earlier in the class we had discussed the pattern of the magnetic field lines when the current carrying conductor is a circular. This time we are going to study electromagnetism or electromagnet. Alright, electromagnet. This word is known to you, what is magnet, but there is a electromagnet, that is magnet made by, that is magnet used by flow of current. So we have the knowledge what is magnet, but this time electromagnet. So it is a device. It is a device, you can say. If I write a definition of electromagnet, so it is a device having solenoid. It is a device consisting of solenoid having soft iron as a core. To increase the strength of magnetic field. So इसको समझते हैं. It is a device, no doubt it is a device. There are a lot of devices, but what makes it difference? Consisting of a solenoid. Alright, what is solenoid? This is a question. Suppose this is a cylindrical body is insulated, and if I wrap the copper wire, if I twist the copper wire over this solenoid and I withdraw this cylindrical body, the shape that is formed is a solenoid. अरे बोलचाल की भाषा में स्प्रिंग भाई समझ लो, है कि नहीं? स्प्रिंग ऐसे. तो ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कि the turns that I make over this cylindrical body should not overlap to each other. Alright, if this is overlap, this is wrong. So what is solenoid? So first, it is a device consisting of a solenoid. Solenoid is a large number of turns of insulated copper wire. Alright, so we can say here solenoid is a like this, ये होता है, like here, है ना? This is the solenoid. ये बना कैसे? इसके ऊपर लिया हमने और कॉपर को ऐसे, कॉपर वायर को ऐसे हमने लपेटा, ऐसे टर्न्स, और इसको हमने खींच दिया, तो क्या बन गया? स्प्रिंग, और इसी को फिजिक्स की भाषा में सोलेनॉइड। तो सोलेनॉइड is a large number of turns. This is called turns. You know, no? This is called turns. This is called turns. All right. Solenoid is a large number of turns of insulated copper wire wrapped over a cylindrical body. Generally we take insulated. Alright? The body that we take is generally insulated. Alright? So, ये समझ में आ गया? It is a device consisting of solenoid. So this is solenoid. Alright. Having a large number of turns. देखिए यहाँ पर there are so many turns. Consisting of solenoid, having a soft iron as core. Now it is core. So I'm going to rub it out. To increase the strength of electromagnet. ठीक है? To increase the strength of electromagnet. देखिए, this is okay. This is the cylindrical body, and which is taken as a soft iron. We will discuss later on that why don't we take the soft iron, we don't take it a general iron or steel or like that. What is the reason behind this? So I will discuss later on. But what is as a core? So soft iron, when we keep soft iron, it increases the strength of electromagnet. Yes. If you do not keep this soft iron, then the magnetic field developed is so weak that it cannot be used as a commercial purpose. Generally, electromagnet that we make has the commercial purpose. Alright. So generally, if we pass the current simply through it, it can become the magnet. But we keep the soft iron inside the solenoid. That is called as a core. So, is it clear? It's a device consisting of a solenoid. This is the solenoid having a soft iron as core of electromagnet of electromagnet to increase the strength of. Okay, so we keep the soft iron purposely to increase the strength of electromagnet. This is the definition. Now we are going to discuss. Once again I am going to draw. This is a soft iron and the insulated copper wire has been wrapped over it. If you want to connect the rheostat, you can control the current, you can connect it, no problem. This is the way that the current is flowing, alright, clockwise, anti-clockwise, this way. Alright. This way it goes on, and finally here please. This is a solenoid having soft iron. So now the ends of this solenoid has been connected to the terminals of a battery. There is a switch. This electromagnet is diametrically has been prepared. Now when the switch is made on, we know that when current, it has been already shown by the Oersted, that when the current passes through a conductor, it develops a magnetic field. So when the current passes through the solenoid, it develops the magnetic field. But I want to increase the strength of electromagnet. Why do we keep the soft iron? It has become the magnet. ये soft iron हम लोग क्यों रख देते हैं? And what is the purpose of these turns of the insulated copper wires? ठीक है ना? तो ये हम लोग एक-एक करके डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग. तो we keep the soft iron because it can be easily magnetized and easily demagnetized. इसको हम बनाएंगे, स्विच ऑन करेंगे, ये पूरा मैग्नेट बन जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट, और जैसे ही इसको स्विच ऑफ कर देंगे, it will become a simple iron. So soft iron is placed. Soft iron is placed as a core of electromagnet. Because it can be easily magnetized and can be demagnetized. Alright, so this is the purpose of soft iron. So this the electromagnet has prepared. Now once again what we have done, we take the solenoid and keep a soft iron inside it, what is called core. Now it is connected to the terminals of a battery. When the switch is on, it develops a magnetic property. We keep a soft iron inside it because it has the property of easily magnetization and demagnetization. It is also got a retentivity. Now, when it has become a magnet, so there should be south and north pole. How can we know the south pole and north pole? Alright. So there is a clock rule. To know that which one, we have also a method. What are the method? By using magnetic compass and by using RNA filings. This is not possible here, or it is not easily. So we have to apply a clock rule. Here it is. Look here. If the current is flowing in the clockwise directions, this is S. Alright, this is S. If the current is flowing like this, then the ends of the solenoid will be south. In opposite, that is north. This is anti-clockwise. Alright. So, clock rule tells that if the direction of current is clockwise, you know the clockwise, घड़ी जैसे चलती है ऐसे ना, ऐसे. This is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Alright. So this is clock and this is anti. घड़ी जैसे चलती है घड़ी ऐसे, like this. Very का detergent powder put under that. Alright. So by this, knowing the clock rule, clear है? If the direction of current is clockwise, then the end of the solenoid will have the south pole, and if it is anti-clockwise, then it is north pole. So according to this here will be south and here it is the north pole. Alright. So this is the way that we determine the what we call the ends of the polarity of this electromagnet. Generally this question is a popular question that electromagnet behaves as bar magnet. What is the quality of the bar magnet? This is the bar magnet. Alright. This is. So, if we draw the magnetic fields of line, the magnetic field lines inside the core are parallel to each other. So, inside the electromagnetic, if you draw the magnetic field lines, they are parallel to each other. Here, the magnetic field lines. Alright? So, electromagnet behaves as a bar magnet. So it behaves as a bar magnet because inside the solenoid the magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. If this electromagnet is suspended, it also comes to rest in the north-south direction, and this is the property of bar magnet. That's why the electromagnet is called as a bar magnet. जैसे ही इसमें से निकलेगा it 1 second it will become. But inside the magnetic field lines, inside the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. Can you tell me what is parallel? Electromagnet behaves as a bar magnet. इसका रीजन दे दो. The magnetic field lines. Field lines inside the bar magnet are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Alright. And second, are parallel to just again that when the electromagnet is suspended, we have written down here north and south. So we know the Direction of magnetic field lines externally we have already discussed. We have drawn the magnetic field lines externally goes to north to side and inside the south to north. This is the way it makes a loop. We have already discussed. So we have drawn here like this. When the electromagnet is suspended, it comes to rest. In north-south direction. Because of this property of electromagnet, they are termed as a bar magnet. इसको bar magnet भी कहा जाता है. अच्छा, now tell me on what factor the electromagnet depends. On what factor? Factors on which the strength of electromagnet depends. Can you tell me? First, B is directly proportional to I. ये हम लोग पहले से भी जानते हैं. If you increase the strength of the current, magnetic field will increase. And second, how can we increase the current? If you increase the number of turns, so B is directly proportional to N. If you increase the number of turns, then the current will increase. And third, keeping soft iron as core of electromagnet. ये तीन चीज अगर हम करते हैं, then the strength of electromagnet, as we increase the number of turns, the strength of electromagnet increases. अगर आप कहेंगे कि अच्छा one thing, why it is straight? Why it is straight inside the magnetic field lines? Here it is. See, once again we apply the rule here. Here, see this arrow. If the direction of current, this magnetic field is this, और ये अगर ऐसा लग रहा है, then this. These two equal forces, opposite in direction, make the magnetic field lines straight. That's why it is straight. जैसे ही बाहर निकलता है ऐसे फोर्स नहीं लगता है. ये अंदर वाला फोर्स नहीं लगता है. Once again it becomes curve according to its nature. So this thing, अच्छा, if you keep soft iron, sorry, if you keep the steel here in place of the, then it will become a permanent magnet because it will not easily lose the magnetic property. अगर हमने यहाँ soft iron की जगह पे steel लग गया suppose करो, तो इसमें क्या होगा कि it will not easily magnetize and demagnetize. That is called retentivity. तो that is permanent magnet is used in loudspeaker, microphones, ये सब में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. तो permanent magnet is not a part of study of the class 10, and this thing and what are the uses of electromagnet? So in medical science it is also used. Uses are very common in industry or in cargo में बड़े बड़े सामान जो होते हैं उसको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह उठाने के ले जाने में बड़ी हेल्पफुल होता है। कैसे होता है समझ, अगर कोई पर हेवी लोडेड सामान है, हमने उसको ऐसे लगाया, स्विच ऑन कर दिया, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बन गया, इसको अपनी ओर खींचा, और जब इधर लाना था तो हमने इसको स्विच ऑफ कर दिया। तो इस तरीके से लोडिंग और अनलोडिंग इट इज यूज, इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन ए कार्गो। इफ यू गो टू द shipyard, you will see that heavy luggage is there. One is used in a lot of purposes are used today. In mobile, there is a electromagnet also, right? So that is also used in the medical sense. Medical sense is also used. If something today something is fall into our eye, iron filings, electromagnet can be used to pull it out. कचरा अगर लोहे का कदम वगैरह कुछ गिर गया है, so इसको हम लोग भी निकाल सकते हैं. So today in every sphere of life, electromagnet are there. Alright, everywhere, हर जगह पर इसका almost इसका इस्तेमाल है. So these are the things. Thank you.